Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to do a pretty easy lesson. We're going to look at comparing numbers. And so let's just start right into it. So example 1, we have 481 and 592. So which one's the bigger number? The trick here is to look at the largest value digit for each and compare. So we look here at the hundreds, because there's no 1000s, so we're looking at the hundreds, and say, okay, well 5 hundreds compared to 4 hundreds, 5 is bigger. So 592 is greater than 481. And so we write it like this, like that. 592 is greater than 481. And we're going to do a lot of practice, so you'll get very familiar with the symbol. So 72, 63, 7 is bigger. So that whole number, 72, is more than 63. 5 and 5 are the same numbers. So then instead of the hundreds, now we look at the tens and say, okay, which one's bigger? Well, there's a 1 compared to a 0. So 512 is more than 502. 72 and 59. 7 is bigger, like that. 3127, like that. 42, 56. 56 is bigger. 92 or 29. So we compare the first two digits, so 9 is bigger than 2. So like that. Here we have 5 is the same, 0 is the same, 3 and 2. So 3 is bigger. So there you go, like that. 6,000 is the same, 200 is the same, 10 is the same, and so 4 and 8. 8 is bigger, like that. Here we have 4 as the first digit and 6 is the first digit, but this is 4 100s. Here there's almost like an imaginary 0 here, and so there's 0 100s. So this one's bigger. So go ahead, so practice number 1, which number is greater? Go ahead and pause the video and answer that first question. Okay, we're back. And so we have 158. There you go. 600, bigger than that. 558, 8 is bigger. 6, 8, 8 is bigger. 4 and 1, 4 and 1. 9 and 8. 1 and 3, like that. 9 and 2, the 9 is greater. All right, that's it. Let's move on to the next one. So which number is greater? So go ahead and pause the video and answer those questions. Okay, we're back. So here we have 423. And then here we have 412. 23 is bigger. Here we have 2,304. Here we have 2,032. 2,032. Like that. Oh, the 300 is greater. There you go. 851. 851. Or 801. 801. There you go. 6,481. Or 6,041. Like that. Oh, this one's just larger, like that. Excellent. Next question. Using the digits provided, create the greatest number and the smallest number where you can use each digit only once. So go ahead and answer that. Okay, we're back. So we're looking for the greatest. So I want the largest digit for the 1,000. So that's the 5. Next, I want the largest digits for the 100. That's the 4. I want the largest digits for the 10. That's 3. And then 1 is left like that. So the greatest here, we would start with 9. And then the next greatest, and next greatest, next greatest, like that. And so here would be 8, 7, 3, 2. So we're looking for the smallest now. So the smallest, we want this the biggest digit to be the smallest possible. So we start with 1. And then we still want the least possible. So then 3, and then 4, and then 5, like that. Here would be 1, and then 2, and then 7, 9, like that. And the next smallest is 2, 3, 7, 8. Like that. 2, 3, 7, 8. Excellent, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.